Hey guys, this is Mr. 8. I want to do question number 2 now. I'm going to do it algebraically, and I'm going to show you also going to show you how to use your calculator to do this. All right, so number 2 is basically they've given us a equation y equals 2x plus 7, or they've given us a function f of x equals 2x plus 7, and they have given us the x coordinate of a point that's supposed to be on that line. So once we know that the point is on the line, we can substitute in the information that they give us. So basically, this is going to be y equals 2 times 3 plus 7. And if you solve for this, this will be 6 plus 7, which is 13. So the answer for this is 13. So that's how you would do it algebraically. You're going to take the x value that they gave you, and you're just going to substitute it in for x, and then solve for y. That's one way. All right, now I'm going to show you how to use it in Spider, do the same thing. So I'm going to delete this. I'm going to delete this. And now what I'm going to do is I'm going to show you how I would do it using the calculator. So the very first thing I'm going to do is I am going to store 3. And I'm going to store that into x. Boom. And put that here. Boom. It's done. And now what I'm going to do is I am going to use menu 3, 1. This will solve any equation that has only one variable. So now what I would do is I would just put y equals 2x plus 7. And then whatever variable you're trying to solve for, that's what you're going to put here. So I'm going to put y. Now, I want to point out a couple things. If you look at this, you'll see that the x is bolded. And the reason that it's bolded is because I've stored a number into it. Now, when you look at this, this looks like it has 2 variables, but in fact, it only has 1 because this x is no longer a variable. It's just a placeholder for the number 3. And so now I'm just going to solve for y, and I press enter, and it's 13. Now, even though it took me a little bit of time to kind of describe what was happening, if you were doing this on the exam, this would take you literally 10 seconds to do. Store number and then key in the equation and then press enter. So the answer, as we already knew, was 13. So I'm going to stop and I'm going to upload this one.